All right, today we're looking at the surface area of trapezoidal prism. If you take a look, once again, um, any shape, when you go to prisms, rectangles are the sides of a prism. Any shape that is not a rectangle is more than likely your base. So in this problem, the shape is a trapezoid. You have one pair of parallel lines, and then the other pair is not. The two parallel lines will tell you where your bases are, those two parallel lines. And then there'll be a line that's perpendicular to that. That will be the height of the trapezoid. Remember, the base and the height always form a right angle. All right, in this problem, looking at the trapezoid, again, your two bases, base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2 is your formula for the area of a trapezoid. So looking at your two bases, this one is 16.1, and going across here, which is the same as going across at the bottom here, is going to be 30. So 16.1 times 30 times the height of the trapezoid is 8.2. And then you're going to divide by 2. So multiplying 16.1 times 30 times 8.2 and then dividing by 2, you end up with 189.01. 189.01. And then you have two trapezoids, one on the top, one on the bottom, so times 2. And when you times it by 2, you end up with 378.02. Next, if you look at your left side, so we'll say this side over here, this rectangle over here is 11.1 by 4.1. So 11.1 by 4.1, and that'll give you 45.51. And then looking at the right side, you have the same thing, 11.1 times 4.1 to give you 45.51. And then the top, so that's this shape here, would be the top of the trapezoid, the top of the trapezoidal prism. So 16.1 by 4.1 by 4.1, and that'll give you 66.06, 66.01, sorry. And then the bottom, so this rectangle that's right here is going to be 4.1 and 30. So 30 by 4.1, which will give you 123. And then you add it all together and you end up with 658.05.